Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bonk on Binance. It's easy to get this done once you've opened up the Binance app. Please make sure you have an account on Binance. If you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, you're on Binance. How do you get yourself some Bonk? It's quite simple to do this. Simply click on the deposit icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you've selected the deposit, please make sure you deposit cryptocurrency, any sort of cryptocurrency that has been listed on Binance. So once you found the cryptocurrency, let's say the 1000 Satoshi, simply copy your wallet address and deposit the tokens here. Okay guys, and another option of getting yourself some of the Bonk is, let's say you've got some money outside of Binance, like in your bank card or your credit card. You could simply use your credit card to get some of the Bonk. And to do this, all you need to do is head over to the More icon and scroll to where we have Deposit Fiat. You could simply use your fiat currency to buy cryptocurrency. It's quite easy. All you need to do is, based on your region, you're going to have to perform a transfer or to simply add your card. So your region is based on where you stay. So once you've taken into account your fiat currency, click on Continue. And all you need to do now is enter the amount of your local currency you wish to transfer. So let's say 10,000 of this. Click on Continue. Now all you need to do is complete the order, make the payment, and the crypto will then be released to you. And once you've made the payment to your local retailer, which is via a transfer, you'll get some cryptocurrency, maybe a cryptocurrency of your choosing or your choice. So guys, once you've deposited some crypto or fiat, head to the wallet section. From the overview, scroll to the spot or funding, depending on where your crypto is stored. And as you can see, I've got some BNB here. So for this tutorial video, I'll be using BNB. Head to the home section where we have the convert icon. Click on this convert icon. Where we have markets, simply click on the digital token and select BNB. And simply click on Bonk. Now enter the amount of BNB you wish to convert to Bonk. Click on Preview Conversion and simply click on Convert. So guys, that's how you can get yourself some Bonk. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.